Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making one of my favorite things, pancakes. First I whisk together 2 eggs, sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. Then I pour in the milk and mix it all together. Next I add the flour and baking powder and whisk until the batter is nice and smooth. I lightly grease the pan with some sunflower oil. Then pour in 1 ladle of the batter. Over medium heat until both sides are golden or fluffy. And that's it! I love serving them with honey, hazelnut spread or fresh fruit. Hope you give it a try. Enjoy!